Why should we care about the state of water bodies in India? How do they influence our lives and the environment? These are not rhetorical questions, but ones that hold immense significance. Water bodies are the lifeblood of our planet, nurturing a diverse array of life forms, supporting agriculture, and providing hydration, all essential for human survival. They maintain the ecological balance, acting as carbon sinks, aiding in climate regulation, and serving as habitats for a myriad of species. But these water bodies are under threat. Pollution, encroachment, and degradation are jeopardizing their health and, by extension, our own future. They are being suffocated by invasive species, set up by eroded soil, and their life-giving waters are being diminished. The situation is dire, but not hopeless. It is in this context, understanding the critical role of water bodies, that it becomes clear why initiatives like Waterbodies Restoration Project are so vital. Let's take a deeper look into the Waterbodies Restoration Project, its partners, and the objectives they set out to achieve. This ambitious project was launched as a joint endeavor between the Environmentalist Foundation of India, or EFI, and Indian Bank in 2020. Their goal: to rejuvenate 5 water bodies spread across the vast landscape of India. To achieve this, the project utilized an array of activities. These range from the removal of invasive species to the construction of ponds and establishing nesting islands. The invasive species is an organism that is not indigenous or native to a particular area. Invasive species can cause great economic and environmental harm to the new area. But it wasn't just about getting their hands dirty. The project also employed sophisticated technologies like ecological assessments and environmental impact evaluations. And how did they measure success? Using the rigorous OECD DAC network on development evaluation criteria, which helped them assess the project's relevance, coherence, efficiency, effectiveness, impact, and sustainability. The project's diverse activities and innovative technologies aim to breathe back life into India's water bodies. The Waterbodies Restoration Project targeted 5 water bodies across India. But what was the immediate impact of these efforts? Spanning a period of 13 months, from 2020 to 2021, this initiative set its sights on Makaba Lake in Ahmedabad, Mituvavi Orani Lake in Coimbatore, Karamadum Pond in Trivandrum, Iranal Lake in Hubli, and Sunkitai Pond in Katampati. A key aspect of this project was its transparency. The results are accessible to the general public, ensuring accountability and fostering trust. This openness also allows for the project's methodologies and successes to inspire and inform similar future endeavors. But let's delve into the immediate impact. The restoration efforts result in a myriad of immediate benefits. The storage capacity of water bodies are significantly increased, allowing for more water to be held and used efficiently. The project also provided flood mitigation, preventing damage to surrounding areas during periods of heavy rainfall. The region was stemmed to preserving the integrity of the lands around these water bodies, but perhaps the most far-reaching benefits was the recharge of groundwaters. The crucial process helps to maintain water levels in wells and aquifers, ensuring a steady supply of water for both people and environment. The immediate outcomes of the project were both significant and far-reaching, impacting thousands of individuals. Beyond the immediate benefits, the Waterbodies Restoration Project has set the stage for sustainable long-term impacts. One cannot overlook the creation of new habitats for aquatic life, a direct outcome of the project. These habitats not only serve as sanctuaries for diverse species but also contribute to the overall health of the ecosystem. As the project worked to improve biological elements, it led to the rejuvenation of native flora and fauna. With the removal of invasive species and the construction of conducive environments, we see a resurgence of biodiversity. This not only helps maintain the balance of the ecosystem but also plays a crucial role in climate regulation. The project has also significantly increased water storage capacity, which is a boon, especially in regions facing water scarcity. This ensures a more reliable supply of water, crucial for both human consumption and agriculture. Biodiversity conservation is another key impact of this restoration project. By preserving and enhancing the natural habitats, we are ensuring the survival of countless of species, many of which are on the brink of extinction. Lastly, the project has stored a heightened awareness about the importance of cleanliness and waste management. This is an invaluable impact as it encourages individuals to take responsibility for their actions and contribute to environmental preservation. The Waterbodies Restoration Project serves as a testament to the power of concerted efforts in restoring and preserving our natural resources. It is a step toward a more sustainable future, one where humans and nature coexist harmoniously.